So guys, today I'm going to be talking about 3 squishies and 7 pieces of slime. Okay, so let's start off with number 1. This is my first squishy, and I got it in blue water. So yeah, if you don't, those who don't know what squishy is, you can kind of like push it down, kind of like that. And then it will rise up back to its normal shape. Correct. Second squishy, I have a milk carton. I can make her into a cat by pushing down the top. And now she's a cat. Yep. Right. My third squishy is a dog. Cute little pup. And like I said, you can squish it, do anything you want with it, except for rip it in half, sort of. Come back to its normal shape. Okay, first piece of slime. Let's see. Let's have this pink one. Can you guys comment down below and tell us what slime you like the most. So, this one, number 1. Number 2 is this blue one. So I got first 4 slimes I want to show you from the Entertainment Toy Shop, and they sell them for about £5. I don't know how much that will be in dollars, but yeah. So they sell them at the Entertainer Toy Shop, and they're called Liquid Love Putty. They are the best. This one is also from the Entertainer Toy Shop, called Liquid Love Putty. So this one's metallic. And purple. How about this? Metallic. Okay, so there's that one. Number 4 I'm going to show you is also from the Entertainer Toy Shop. And it's actually a mix between these two. My sister decided to mix them. So yeah. Number 5 is this blue one. Now this one was actually homemade, so it does go kind of hard over time. But this one isn't too stretchy, as you can see. And it just will break. And it's not very easy to get back on. Okay. I love playing with slime. How many is that? 6. Number 6. I'm going, oh, you can't actually see that. I'm going to do this. Now, I don't know why, but I find doing all this is actually really, really amusing. And then folding it over and doing all that. This one can get really sticky. This is also homemade, so yet again it will go hard over time. So yeah, my friend made this for me, and her Instagram is Mads, and it's got a few numbers after that, but I don't memorize my friend's Instagram account, so yeah. Okay, so, and then finally we have the big number 7. Now we actually got this one today, and it's actually really rubbery, so it's not like proper slime, really rubbery. So, guys, comment down below and don't forget to push that subscribe button and put the notification bell on. Right, so, yeah, that's all from me today. Bye, see you next time.